Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to my live session today. So, today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic, a topic that is very, very key to all of us. So, in our life, in our endeavor, in whatever I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. A topic that is very, very, very much kind of controversial and so important to all of us in relevant in our business, in our personal life, in our education, and whatever we do. So, in whatever we do. So, it's going to be on leveraging technology. So when you talk about technology, technology is scientific method of doing things, scientific way of doing things. It makes things easier, it makes things better, and um, it makes things more complex things are being broken down and simplified. Yeah, so and the word leverage there is to take advantage of, to maximize the existence of something in this instance. So you see that today the possibilities of technology is almost infinite. Technology has made a lot of things possible. You see things that initially looks very much impossible in the past today are becoming possible. With the technology we see things like artificial intelligence, internet of things, and a lot of things coming into place. Our health world is being revolutionized, our education system, engineering system, and all spheres of life is being revolutionized because of technology. So today we are going to be looking at technology in three basic dimensions, in three basic dimension, I mean to say. One is technology, leveraging technology in our education system or as a learning system, and the other one is leveraging technology in our business, while the other one is going to be on leveraging technology in our personal development. So leveraging technology in our education, you can understand that in today's world technology have made a lot of things possible. Things that looks impossible in time past have become possible, has become very much easier and faster and less complex because of technology. You see that today you can even sit at the comfort of your home in Lagos and school at Harvard in the United States or any part of the country, get your certificate, get your knowledge, and get whatever you want. So you can also see that in the use of automated learning system where AI is used to teach people or track people's progress to determine how they learn, how they learn and how they cope, track their progress and their performance in the learning system. So so many of us today we do not really understand the importance or the level of opportunity, the height of opportunities that technology has created for us. And that is why you see a lot of people when they do not have the opportunity to go to school, the brick and mortar school that we usually know, the brick and the slate and chalk type of school that we usually know in time past. They begin to feel that, oh, because they don't have such times and because they are not engaged, they cannot be educated. There is no time for that, there is no money for that, there is no system for that. But meanwhile there are several platforms, there are several ways we can maximize technology to improve our education system. For instance, let me just use for instance somebody that wants to learn how to use the computer, the system, computer and he's looking for time. That maybe he's working or he's doing one thing or the other, and he's looking for the time to learn these things. There are several platforms that you can learn this thing. You can go to YouTube, you can learn it. You can go to several other websites and channels that you can learn it. You can even pick up a course, affordable courses, and learn it and become perfect in that. So technology makes education very simple. It brings education to our doorstep. You do not really need to go out of your house to be educated. So it means that therefore wherever you are and however busy you are, there is no excuse not to be educated, because education is actually in your palm, is actually in your room with you. And that is why you see a lot of people who understand some of these things taking advantage of it, maximizing it, and growing their life. I know of somebody that is into HR profession today. He learned HR, everything was done online. He went to some of these online course platforms, and she was able to buy a course, learn HR as a profession, master everything. And today, the person is a HR, is an HR, and she is doing very well. So whatever be the field or whatever thing you want to be or you want to do, you can always take advantage of technology. Understand that technology has created that platform in which you can learn, master your skill even without going into school. Some of the things I do today, I usually tell people that some of the things I do today are the things I learnt online. I know how to use computer very well, to do all the software. Most of the softwares in the computer, the graphic softwares, the publishing software like Microsoft Excel and all that stuff, and some other technical softwares that I use on computer. I've never gone to any physical class a day to learn any of this. Most of these classes are being learnt online. I capture it, learn it online, and before you know it, I practice it and I become perfect in it. So whatever be the thing you want to be, whatever be the thing you want to do, you can always leverage on technology, the availability of technology. You can always go to YouTube, browse about it, learn about it. There are several platforms, there are several organizations that I don't even want to mention, that are offering learning opportunities for people who want to grow their career, people who want to grow their skills. You can go to some of those platforms to learn and improve your life. So the other aspect of it is leveraging technology for your business. I can You can agree with me that today's world, businesses are actually revolutionizing because of technology. A lot of things are coming in place because of technology, and that is why you see people that are using technology in their business are actually going far. They are achieving more, you understand, in their business. They use technology to do a lot of things to achieve more. Let me just give you an example. For instance, in my business, I started my business in the year 2017. 2017 leads consult, and since then most of the things I've achieved has been one way or the other traced to the use of technology. I create a lot of content which I use AI to do. Sometimes I just put in my ideas, what I feel I want to get, and before you know it, AI gives me suggestion, gives me the idea that I need to do such things, and before you know it, I'm able to come up with a content. Sometimes I use softwares like Canva, Adobe on my phone. Before you know it, I can create business designs, for my business. I've never paid. I can barely count how many times I paid people to do my designs for me. So I use Canva, I use so many other application softwares as such to create my design, and before you know it, I'm posting. I have a lot of content, I have a lot of things to post, and before you know it, my business is growing. So there are several ways that you can grow your business with the use of technology. So I would just like to identify some of those ways. One is through branding and visuals. I mentioned it, like graphics and branding tools optimization like Canva, CapCut. You can use remove. There are some platforms, there are some softwares, there are some websites. For instance, removebg.com. You can use it to remove your background, to then import your pictures to Canva and create designs for your business. So with that, you'll be having a lot of content for your business. So you can research about some of these things. They are online. Just go online, research about them, ask internet. Internet is there to answer you question. Whatever you ask the internet, you get it. I can assure you, whatever you ask in today's world, you will get it. Whatever you ask AI, you will get it. So you can ask internet, how do I design my flyers, my posters? How do I do my branding? How do I do this? How do I import this? How do I export this? And internet will be able to give you answers, and before you know it, you create meaningful content for your business, and your business will begin to have content. So another way is through document formatting. You can actually use internet to format a lot of your documents. Some people don't still know that today. Until they get to their system or until they pay someone, they cannot format their document. But I can assure you, there are several websites, there are several apps that you can use to format your documents. That means you can pick up a PDF document today and you can format it to Microsoft Word. You can pick up a JPEG file today and you can actually convert it to a PDF. So you just have to know some of those platforms. One of them is like I love PDF. I use that a lot. I love PDF.com, which you can use to format your document from Word to PDF, from PDF to Word, and other formats. So if you understand some of this, you see that you spend less and you'll be able to achieve more in your business, and your business will begin to grow even at a lower cost. For instance, as somebody that is just starting your business, you are just trying to manage cost and all that stuff. You don't need to be paying for everything. You don't need to be paying for all these little designs, all these little formatting, all those stuffs. There are stuffs that you can actually take your time, go to YouTube, go to Facebook, wherever platform that you are conversant with, learn how to do it. And I can assure you that internet is actually there to teach you some of these things. Another way is through marketing. You can see the use of YouTube, the use of Facebook and all that stuff has actually revolutionized digital marketing. Today you can leverage on algorithm of people and you can market your business through social media, and I can assure you that it works a lot. A lot of big companies, a lot of startups are actually doing this, and they are cashing out real time. I can assure you, I can bet you of that. They are cashing out real time. What they just need to do is to set up the right page, have a beautiful logo, have content, have their page and all that stuff, and boom, they just do promotion, and before you know it, they generate leads and they generate sales, and it's working so perfectly. So we can leverage on the digital marketing platforms of that technology have created for us to grow our business, instead of just posting your business to that small WhatsApp group or to that your status that you just have 50 people there that are not even willing to buy. You can just use little money to promote it online, and before you know it, you get to have generate more leads and have more sales. You can also see the use of technology in listing of your product. You can list your product. We have WhatsApp cataloging. We have other platforms like Gigi, Jumia, and all that stuff, and some other advanced platform that you can use as somebody that is doing a technical profession or at such, that you can use to market your skills and all that stuff. Put your portfolio there, beautiful portfolios, and before you know it, people will come after you. And what I want to advise you, if you are going to opt for this digital marketing option, you must make sure that you have a beautiful landing page. You must make sure you have beautiful portfolios, that once people come and see such portfolios, they will be able to patronize you, because if you don't have such beautiful portfolios, once people land to your page or once people see your product, they will be discouraged. They will feel that you can't offer them what they need to get or what they intend getting. You can also use technology like for data storage and for meetings and all that stuff. The evolution of Zoom, WhatsApp, and all that stuff, Google Meet has also made things beautiful. You can have meetings, you can do all that stuff online. You don't really need to, in case you are somebody that you are into business and probably you have partners, a lot of partners and all that stuff, and you always want to meet and plan things out. You can make use of technology to do some of these things. So you don't really have to wait until when you meet these people. So in that aspect too, technology has really helped a lot of business to also grow and learn from the comfort of our home. That time we are using on Facebook and on YouTube and on TikTok to do a lot of irrelevant things, we can actually use it to add value to ourselves. I'm going to talk more on this based on past experience, but before then, let me just talk about leveraging technology to improve our life. This is our life generally today. So I want to assure you that if you actually want to improve your life, there are several ways you can do that. And in today's world, technology has created platforms in which your life can actually grow from zero to a hero, to somebody that is more beneficial to this, not just to yourself now, but to your family and also to the society at large. So you can use technology in so many ways to improve your life. You can use technology for savings. There are several platforms that can actually discipline you to save. You can have some of those platforms and create a saving habit that will help you to save and maximize your resources. You understand? So with that, for instance, some of us that don't really know how to manage money, once we get little money, we tend to spend it on irrelevant things. You can actually make research to know some of the platforms that technology has created that you can use to improve your saving lifestyle. So also in the area of doing research and all that stuff, so you can also use technology to research and know about things. So stuff like chat gpt, ask ai and all that, even whatsapp. I think whatsapp have one ai platform and all that stuff now. So you can use some of these things to learn a lot of things that will improve your life. For instance, somebody, for instance, you don't know how to cook, maybe as a woman, and you need to know learn how to cook. You can actually go to internet and learn it, ask questions. I can assure you that internet is always there to help you. Before you know it, you will learn how to do such kind of things. So there are still ways that people use internet to discipline themselves, to plan tasks, to program things and make things happen. So all you just have to do is to do your research and know which of these platforms will work for you and which of these platforms that you need to create that necessary improvement that you need for your life. So before I end this live, I'm going to share some little experiences I've gained. And I mentioned initially that I'll be sharing experiences on how technology has helped me to grow my learning process and also to grow my business. So in the year, I think that was the year 2013. So when I just finished with school, then so I was opportune to have a smartphone and all that stuff. And when I got that, so I think that was 2013, 2014 or thereabout. So when I got this smartphone, I didn't know how to use the computer very well. So I just have to go to YouTube and learn how to use the computer. So and I went to one, I searched for one YouTube tutor on YouTube, and I searched for one tutor on YouTube, and I was able to get one that is very good in teaching beginners how to use the computer, and I was able to go through this learning process for a particular period of time, and I was able to learn. Okay, so fast forward few some months after that, I was able to get my own system, learn, practice with it, and today I can assure you that I even teach people that went to computer classes. Like I do a lot of things in computer, all packages in computer. They are practically most. there is virtually, except some technical aspect of computer like programming and some advanced stuff, there's virtually what I cannot do with computer today. And most of these things are not learned in a classroom for even a single day. Some of them I learned them from YouTube, from some learning platform and all that stuff. So it can also be me today. I don't know what you actually want to learn, how you want to improve your life, that business, maybe it's fashion, maybe it's cooking, maybe whatever. You don't really need to go to the classroom to learn today. There are platforms there, and there are tutors that are ready to teach you this thing. So some few months ago, I think, few last year, some few months back, so I got a job, and that job was on it was on NGO registration, because I do company registration, business and company registration with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So I got a job that I've not done before. And when the person brought the job, I actually wanted to reject this job. So, but I felt that, okay, let me just take the job. What's done to us? I will engage somebody that is a professional to help me to do it. So I got the job, and I went online to learn how to do it. Before you know it, I was able to get a tutor that was able to teach me, and I followed the procedure from step by step, from the stage one to the last stage, and I was able to perform this task, and I earned money from it. And today, if such kind of opportunities come to me again, I've already learned that procedure, I've already learned that thing, and I will be able to do it. So what I'm trying to say is that whatever your field is, whatever your business is, whatever thing you are doing, whatever thing you want to learn, whatever way you want to improve your life, there are willing tutors online that are ready to teach you. You don't necessarily need to go to the classroom. You don't necessarily need to pay for Harvard class, or whatever it is, to learn. There are tutors that are on YouTube, there are tutors that are on other platforms to teach you, to guide you, tutor you from an amateur stage to a professional stage in whatever you want to do. So we can take advantage of technology in our business, in whatever, just like as I did in my business. I use technology for my designs, I use mobile apps for my formatting, I use mobile app for my business promotion. I use it to learn. If there's anything I'm not so clear about in my business, I go to YouTube or whatever platform it is. I search about it and I learn about it, and I'm making progress day by day. I have a lot of contents to post and all that stuff, and I'm becoming better. So we can make use of technology as well, just to grow our business, just to grow our life, to better our life, to make improvements. I can assure you, like I said, and I've always said in this live session, technology is always there to help you. It's always there to give you an answer. You can always go to make use of AI, to make use of your search engine, and I can assure you that your business, whatever thing you are doing, is going to be better. And I'm hoping that once you do that, both your lifestyle, both your business, both your education, and every other thing is going to get better and better, and you're going to become a better person in whatever you are doing. Thank you very much, and I'm glad. I want to say a big shout out to everyone that joined my live today, and I want to assure you that this is not going to be the last. It's the first time I'm doing a live session, but it's not going to be the last. I believe that I'm going to be coming to you from time to time with new packages that is going to not just excite you, but also teach you on how to make your life better, and how to make good use of opportunities around you. Thank you very much, and I so much appreciate for your time. God bless you.